is pretty thin and fine like mine, you know ponytails can be pretty boring. So let's fix it.
The first thing I'm going to do is use my fingers to rake all my hair from the crown back just so we don't have a part at the back of the head, and I'm just going to start to create a ponytail like normal. I do have waves in my hair today, which I think adds to the volume of the style, but you can absolutely do it on straight hair as well. I'm just going to pull the hair tie down the ponytail a bit to make it loose and create a nice wide opening. You want to make sure there's no hairs crisscrossing across that opening or you will get tangled and stuck. Then you're going to flip yourself up from the bottom through the top. It's really important that you flip this ponytail from the bottom up through the top, otherwise you're not going to get this look. If you flip it from the top down, it's going to be really flat and low to your neck. And this just gives you a really pretty, more voluminous, fluffier looking ponytail style. The second one, we're going to do the same ponytail, but we're going to do it with a half up style. I'm using a much smaller hair tie here because obviously this is a much smaller amount of hair, but we're just going to create that ponytail and then we're going to slide it down and then we're going to create that nice wide opening with no hairs across. Flip it from the bottom to the top, pull it tight, and again you get that cute fluffy little ponytail instead of a flat limp ponytail that hangs straight down because of our hair texture.
I hope that helps. I hope that gives you a fun new type of ponytail to try that might not feel so small and sad and boring if that's how you typically feel about your ponytails. These are really pretty ways to put your hair up for summer, and once again, the waves really do add a little bit something extra, but you can absolutely do them on straight hair. Thanks so much for watching today, guys. Please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Bye.